What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you on. Today, guys, we're going to be talking about a newer cryptocurrency that has launched on both the Ethereum blockchain as well as Arbitrum. But remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, rather just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you are new around here, it would mean the world to me if you consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. The crypto market has been extremely volatile over the last few months and even year. But with that being said, there are so many opportunities that are coming our way, especially as Shiba Inu holders. You guys know right now, one of the biggest catalysts that we're looking at from the Shiba Inu ecosystem is the launch of the layer 2 solution that is SHIBARIUM. But with that being said, there's going to be a lot of opportunities with SHIBARIUM because of the fact that some projects are not only going to bridge to it, but also launch off of SHIBARIUM as a layer 2. And with that being said, in today's video, we're going to be talking about this token right here, and it goes by the name of SHIB, the high-class mistress of Shiba. And I think this one might be quite interesting to some of you. And again, a huge shout out to the SHIB team for sponsoring today's video for this token review. So make sure you stick around till the end to learn everything about tokenomics, some of the things that they've completed within their roadmap, things that are coming, and lastly, the price action. So, the high-class mistress of Shiba. We are a community-owned multi-chain cryptocurrency built on both Arbitrum and Ethereum. SHIB is a token that rewards holders with USDC, and this is another thing that kind of caught my eye. Oftentimes we hear about token reflections going back to holders within the community with the native token. But here, they know and they have the concept that their token is going to continue to appreciate. So instead of giving holders back the same token, that is SHIB, they're giving people back USDC reflection. It's going to be pretty outstanding and astonishing for some of you when you see the numbers that have already been distributed to the current holder base. So again, we're running on this play of meme. You see the big PR news that is right here is the announcement that they got listed as of today, the 2nd of March, on Hotbit, a really big centralized exchange, which makes it pretty big deal that SHIB did get listed on there, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. Now, what makes SHIB unique? The USDC rewards. As I mentioned, instead of native token being reflected back to holders, they have USDC rewards coming back to each and every holder. They're also a low tax token and absence of a marketing wallet or dev fees. Everything that is paid out by community members and the holders from the beginning. Very similar to some of the other tokens that we have mentioned on the channel, like Suka. So this isn't paid for by some developers or anything. Again, marketing-wise, everything is done by the community. So it's just community members telling, hey, would you mind doing a token review for us? And I said, absolutely. This looks like a fantastic project that will be also launching on SHIBARIUM. They also have people and individuals as part of their team, accomplished leaders, I should say, particularly Janice, who has some type of connections with industry figures, as we know, Shaitoshi. The community is growing, and there's a lot of other things that we can talk about in terms of SHIB, but I think there's some excitement coming their way, and you could do a prepaid crypto card with SHIB. And I thought that was pretty cool because one of the biggest things to crypto, especially ERC20 tokens or now even Arbitrum, is the fact that there's a big barrier to entry. But if I'm telling you that you can get prepaid crypto cards, that is pretty awesome. You can see the tokenomics there for both the Arbitrum and the Ethereum blockchain, the buy tax, sell tax, and everything within the distribution. And overall, it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you are always looking at the right contract whenever you're looking to purchase any cryptocurrency. Remember, personally for me as Ahmed, I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold any crypto asset in the market, but I can always put you guys on the plays that I'm in. As we scroll through, this here is what struck with me, and this is what made basically the deciding factor of whether or not I want to complete a token review for SHIB. You can see here, so far, their website and dApp creation, socials, fair launch on Arbitrum, and then again, they also launched on Ethereum, rewards the reward dApp, fully integrated and renounced contract. And this is the part where we're talking about the crawl. SHIB launch on SHIBARIUM. So for all of us as Shiba Inu holders, we know what SHIBARIUM is going to do. And the traffic of tokens that are going to be bridging over to SHIBARIUM or launching off of SHIBARIUM, there's going to be a pretty strong demand within our own community as SHIB holders and also external communities alike. So I thought that was huge. And everything so far they have been delivering on, respectively, CMC and CG listings. Again, they're looking to start getting promotions or marketing, like this video, for example. So they're actually following through. So that's the crawl stage, walk, and then run. Multi-chain launches and bridges. YouTube presence is what they're doing now. NFT mint, CEX listings, Hotbit just happening, reaching a $10 million market cap, which we'll talk about because they are approaching it very quickly. And then the run stage, continue pushing through, going for a $20 million market cap, 5,000 holders and beyond. They have a little how-to guide on how to buy, but we'll come back to that towards the end. Now, the Hotbit news. This was just announced at the end of February, just a couple days ago. The official announcement came out. We are pleased and excited about SHIB listing on Hotbit Exchange, another important step on our journey to becoming the best meme coin of 2023. Well, you guys know I'm always a fan of SHIB, but tokens that are going to be a part of the SHIB ecosystem and launching off of our layer 2 gets me excited. And you can see the official news published from the official Hotbit account saying that 200 random fans share 300 million SHIB gifts from the SHIB forum. So very exciting things honestly happening their way. And you could see this is what was astonishing. 130,000 USDC or US dollars have been distributed to the community on both sides. Arbitrum rewards, you could see $62,490, and then on Ethereum, $69,968. If that doesn't speak volumes to you as a crypto investor, a community token that is completely helping out the community each and every day solely for just holding a token, I think, again, this really does speak volumes on what this project's intentions are. And by the chart, we see the success that they have found. Mind you, this token has only been around for about 17 days, and it's sitting at an $8.41 million market cap. Already, $344,000 liquidity pool, which I think is pretty reasonable with the current market conditions, and only 381 holders on Ethereum. They're also on Arbitrum. So remember that. This is a multi-chain token, meaning you can buy it on either chains. So with that being said, I'm personally a big ETH investor, and I like buying things on the Ethereum blockchain, but there are probably a lot more holders, not probably, there are a lot more holders over on the Arbitrum side. But look at the momentum that they've had, and it's for obvious reasons. So again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this is a multi-chain token, and you can buy it via just visiting their website and looking through all of these links. I will have that in the description below for you guys to follow. But that's all I had for you guys today. Hopefully the first of a few, if not many, SHIB type videos. And in addition, we will be doing a giveaway AMA on my channel next week. So make sure you tune in. I do appreciate your support as always. Thank you all so much. All the links will be in the description for you to review. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.